Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to start a video as our lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, we can go to our settings application on our Samsung phone, and we're gonna open the wallpaper and style setting, and click on change wallpaper right here, and select a video that you want to set it as your lock screen wallpaper. You can click on the video option, and I'm just going to pick a random video. For example, I'm going to use it as my lock screen wallpaper, so we can click on it and click on done. Okay, and this is the preview, guys. You can also trim the video if you want. You can click on the stream button, and after you're done, you can click on this done option. Okay, and now the video has been applied to my lock screen wallpaper, and I'm going to check it. Alright, and this is the result, guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can set a video as our lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.